In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best paperless post discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you have to search for paperless post discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponboards.com and open it. As you can see, we have right here at least three different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount off, all you need to do is select get code from right here. You can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get a free shipping, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one and apply it on your next order in order to get this free shipping right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.